Soil. How is it formed? Weathering. The process by which a huge rock is broken down into tiny pieces as small as a sand by various agents such as animals, plants, human activities, chemical processes and other processes. So if you take a look at this particular rock, there are many cracks in here, and you can see a plant grown in here. So this plant is the major cause for the cracks in these rocks. So is this plant. These plants and with their roots try to penetrate this rock in order to find the required minerals. These plants with their roots and the process of turgor pressure, that is the pressure exerted by the wall of the roots in order to penetrate hard substances. By that process, these roots try to penetrate the rocks in order to obtain the minerals present in the rocks, therefore causing cracks in the rocks. Since the rock is a solid substance, the molecules are very tightly attached, and hence if only one molecule are separated, the entire rock is splitted. Let's take another example by which the rocks are broken down. If you take a look at this mountain, you can notice a hole in it, a black spot in it. This hole might either be caused by any animals, the birds which try to hide in there or make a home for itself, or it might be caused due to dissolution of minerals present in the rocks. If you look at this rock, many years ago, this might have been a one big rock. Now it is broken down into 4 or more smaller rocks. Why is that so? Well, it is also because of weathering. During the noon, the sun will be at its highest temperature, due to which the rocks, due to heating, it expands. But during the night, due to the lower specific heat capacity of the rocks, it suddenly contracts. Due to this, some layers of rocks might just shed away. By this, the rocks have become smaller. The next day, it again expands and again another layer is broken down. In this way, layer by layer, the rocks are broken down and become smaller rocks like this. The layers that have been broken down are carried away by strong wind currents and are settled down on the soil. These are further broken down by various other processes into soil. Not only by the wind, but also it can be carried away by water currents. The water will carry it away along with it and hit this rock with other bigger, stronger rocks, due to which both of the rocks might get crushed and become smaller, tiny pieces. These pieces are sedimented down, and over a long years due to weathering, they are converted into soil. Take a look at these rocks. These rocks are mostly broken down by the plants growing in here. These plants with their root try to penetrate the rocks due to the turgor pressure in order to search for minerals for its growth, and that is the reason for its crack. The turgor pressure is the process by which the tips of the roots of the plants try to penetrate very hard substances in order to get more space or more oxygen or more water from it. Take a look at this region. Here, the humans have cut down this mountain in order to get the stones from this mountain. These stones are helpful in construction of houses. So this is one of the example of weathering due to human activities. Human activities is one of the most powerful and very short-term weathering. Weathering caused due to human activities is one of the most powerful sources of weathering, because it can be done with machines, not with human effort. Also, it takes very short time. If you look at this region, this might have took just like 2 to 3 months. In 2 to 3 months, this entire rock would have been sliced down by human machines in order to convert it into smaller stones for construction of houses. Have a look at this rock in here. I want you to guess why is this marks in here. Give your answers in the comment section. I'll give like for the ones that very suits this rock erosion. This video was mainly done for only educational purposes. If you want more details, please comment down in the comment section so that we can post the video. Also, please make sure to share this to your friends so that even they learn what is weathering. Thank you for watching this, guys. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you.